So what forms of child neglect does CPS typically investigate? The most common form of neglect that CPS typically investigates are domestic violence that takes place in front of the child. And this could mean physical altercation or just arguing in front of the child. CPS believes that arguing in front of the child, though nothing physical took place, can create some sort of emotional trauma towards the child, which could essentially be some form of emotional abuse, and which could also lead to neglect because you are neglecting to be aware of the child's emotional well-being. Another common form of neglect is substance abuse. Whether that means it's alcohol, illegal drugs like cocaine or methamphetamine, or the legal drug for recreation purposes typically being marijuana. Marijuana is also a common form of allegations that CPS will put towards a parent if there's reason to believe that the marijuana is causing some form of parental inability to care for the child. So even though you're using marijuana and it is legal to use, it does not necessarily mean that CPS would not consider that as neglect. So it's very important that you contact a California CPS defense lawyer to defend your rights, but also seeing if actually it rises to the level of neglect. Because sometimes using something, or marijuana for instance, or drinking alcohol is different between abusing. And our job is to show that your usage is not abusing, therefore can't create some sort of conduct that affects your ability to care for the child. At Shaw Law Firm, we're here to help.